Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures. How you doing today? Well, today I want to talk about these little beauties, right? What is this? Some people might call it a yellow bandit sign. And of course it is nice and thick, corrugated plastic. It's a nice size. If you put this out, what colors do you notice? Yellow, okay? And then you should get a black Sharpie marker with black lettering, kind of like my shirt, right? So in any event, if you put this out, will it get attention? I hope it will. Now check your local town or city or any ordinance. I don't want you to put them out and run into fines or issues or things of that nature. You may even have to put them out on a Friday afternoon and pick them up on a Sunday. If you don't see signs in your particular area, maybe that's not the best area to put them out in. Look for areas that have signs out already. And this is what you want to do. Can you make up 20, 30, 40, 50 of these little beauties? If you do, will it generate calls? It sure will. So I want to challenge everybody out there. Find a supplier of these corrugated plastic signs. You can find them on the internet. You can buy them locally, wherever you need to go. You got to do it if you want to be successful in real estate. So go make it happen. Make your dreams a reality. Take care. Believe and achieve. Bye-bye.